Hello kids, welcome to the class of English class 4. The chapter number is 1 Birthday Present. Poem. About the poem. Ken Nesbitt is an American children's poet. He was born on February 20, 1962 in Berkeley, California. So kids, the poet of this poem is Ken Nesbitt, who is an American children's poet. He was born on February 20 in the year 1962 in Berkeley, which is in California. In this poem, poet tells that we should choose a birthday gift to give someone as he, she, like, him, her. So kids, through this poem, the poet is trying to say and giving the message that we should choose birthday gift to give someone as he, she, like, him, her. Read and enjoy the poem. For my brother on his birthday, I was generous and kind. As his sister, I was glad to get the best things I could find. I was sure he would want a tutu and a purple mini shirt with some ballerina slippers and a sequin covered shirt. I expected he would want lots of dolls. I know he would need a bike, so I picked a pink and sparkly one. I figured he would like. I selected a tiara, like a prince ought to wear, plus a bunch of bows and ribbons, and some scrunches for his hair. I am aware I am much too generous with presents, but you see, he deserves it. On my birthday, he bought baseball cards for me. So kids, in this poem, there is a girl who is planning for the gifts to gift his brother on his birthday. लेकिन वो जो है अपने ब्रदर के साथ एक ट्रिक खेलती है. क्यों खेलती है? क्योंकि उस गर्ल को अपने ब्रदर से अपने बर्थडे पे जो है बेसबॉल कार्ड्स मिले थे. सो उस चीज़ का रिवेंज लेने के लिए वो गर्ल क्या करती है, अपने ब्रदर के लिए जो है काफ़ी सारी ऐसी चीज़ें सेलेक्ट करती है जैसे कि स्क्रंचेस, बोज, एज वेल एज द पर्पल मिनी शर्ट, एंड she wants to gift a bike, but of which color? Pink color. So he is tricky person and clever person who wants to take revenge from his brother because she believes that his brother deserve it because he gifted baseball cards to his sister. Words to know: generous, giving or given freely. Generous यानी freely किसी चीज़ को देना. Glad means pleased, willing. Expect, regard as likely. Scrunch means crimple. Comprehension, section A, objective questions, oral questions. Give the answer orally. So kids, we will write the answers of this question orally. 1. Who is the poet of this poem? The poet of this poem is Ken Nesbitt. 2. What does the poet want to say by this poem? So kids, इस poem के through poet क्या कहना चाहते हैं? The poet wants to say by this poem that we should gift everyone the objects or the things they like the most, so that he or she likes him or her. 3. How should we choose a gift to give for someone? हमें जो है अगर किसी को gift देना है तो कैसे choose करना चाहिए? We choose by about getting their likes or dislikes as well as how or what are their needs. A. Complete the lines of the poem. I am sure he would want dash and a purple dash. I am sure he would want a tutu and a purple mini shirt. With some dash slippers and a dash shirt. With some ballerina slippers and a sequins shirt. B. Write true or false against each statement. 1. The speaker seriously believes that her brother will enjoy the gift she has chosen for him. सो किड्स, क्या स्पीकर को सच में ऐसा लगता है कि उसने जो अपने ब्रदर के लिए गिफ्ट्स को चूज करा है वो उसको पसंद आएंगे? False, because she has chosen the gift items of the girls for her brother. 2. Her brother was very thoughtful when she chose her birthday gift. क्या उसका ब्रदर बहुत ज़्यादा thoughtful था जब उसने अपने सिस्टर के लिए बर्थडे गिफ्ट को सोचा? Yes, true. 3. The speaker is playing a trick on her brother. स्पीकर जो है अपने ब्रदर के ऊपर ट्रिक खेल रही है? Yes, true. 4. The speaker gives a bike to her brother which he will really enjoy. स्पीकर ने जो है अपने ब्रदर को बाइक दी है जो उसे बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करने वाला है? False, because the speaker is trying to give a bike of the plastic as well of which pink color, so his brother is not going to like. Section B, written questions. C, write the reference of the following lines. So kids, in lines का आपको reference लिखना है. I am aware I am much too generous with presents, but you see, he deserved it on my birthday. He brought baseball cards for me. So in this line, speaker is trying to be act as generous as she thinks that he has chosen nice gifts for her brother, and she thinks that he deserves it because on his birthday, on her birthday, she has received the baseball cards from his brother. D, answer the following questions. 1. Who is the speaker in this poem? इस poem में speaker कौन है? The sister of the brother is the speaker. Two, is the speaker of the poem really generous? क्या poem की जो speaker है वो सच में generous है? No, she is not generous. She is trying to play trick on her brother. Three, what gift did the speaker choose for her brother? स्पीकर ने ब्रदर के लिए कौन सा गिफ्ट को चूज करा है? She chose the purple mini shirt, squincy shirts as well as scrunchies, ribbons, bows and the pink bike. Four, what does the speaker seriously believe? Speaker seriously में क्या believe करती है? The speaker seriously believed that his brother wants a tutu. The speaker seriously believed that her brother really wanted a tutu. Five, how is this skirt that the speaker gave to her brother? वो कैसी स्कर्ट है जो स्पीकर ने अपने ब्रदर को दी है? That was the yellow skirt. Section C, language. E, words power. Read aloud the following words. So kids, इन words को मेरे साथ loudly speak करिए. Birthday, generous, glad, tutu, skirt, bike, sparkly, doll. Tick the 2 rhyming words in each column. So kids, हर column में आपको 3 words given है, उनमें से आपको 2 rhyming words को tick करना है. Tight, light, 8. The rhyming words are tight, light. Hair, tear, share. The rhyming words are hair, share. 2, 4, more. The rhyming words are 2, 4. Bought, shout, cough. The rhyming words are brought, shout. F, grammar world. Words that connect which, that, who, whom, whose. So kids, जो words दो phrases, दो ideas को आपस में connect करते हैं, that are which, that, who, whom and whose. Read the following lines of the poem. I selected a tiara like a prince ought to wear. So kids, यहाँ पे 2 lines लिखी गई हैं जो poem से ली गई है. Can you think of a word which can replace like in the second line? You ought of which, didn't you? So kids, यहाँ पे second line में like word का use करा गया है. So क्या आप जो है इस like के अलावा किसी और second word का thought कर सकते हो? Definitely you have thought of the which word. Think about why it is better to use the word which. ये सोचिए कि क्यों यहाँ पर like की जगह which होता तो वो कैसा बनता और क्यों better है. I selected a tiara which a princess ought to wear. These lines have been taken from the poem. Poets are free to move slightly away from the rules we follow when we write prose. So kids, ये जो 2 lines ली गई थी, poem से ली गई थी. Poem जो है वो slightly free move कर सकते हैं rules से, यानी वो rules को follow करे बिना slightly जो है poem की lines को लिख सकते हैं. हम rules को properly तब follow करते हैं जब हम एक prose लिखते हैं. If this line was a part of story, it would be best to put it in this way. अगर वो line किसी story का part होता तो best way उसको लिखने का होता I selected a tiara like the one that a princess ought to wear, or I selected a tiara which a princess ought to wear. So kids, ये rules जो है एक story लिखते time follow होते हैं. Underline the words which connect 2 ideas in the following sentences. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको sentences given है and आपको उन वर्ड्स को जो है अंडरलाइन करना है जो 2 सेपरेट आइडियाज को आपस में कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. 1. I will wear the shirt which my uncle bought to me. So here are 2 ideas. I will wear the shirt is one idea. My uncle bought to me is the second idea. So the 2 ideas are connected with the single one with the word which. 2. All the players or whom we cheer to who. All the players for whom we cheer to whom. 3. I can't find the person whose purse is lying here. The first idea is I can't find the person. The second idea is purse is lying here. So whose is connecting them. 4. I know the girl who danced at the assembly today. Who. 5. I was sure that he would want a tutu and a purple mini shirt. That. Section D, creative work. Do you enjoy getting gifts that your friends have taken the trouble to make? So kids, क्या आपको जो है ऐसे गिफ्ट्स लेना पसंद है, उसमें आप enjoy करते हो जो आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको देते हैं so that आप ट्रबल में आ जाओ. Imagine you want to thank your friend for helping you and you want to make a nice pen holder for him. Write the process of making it. So kids, आपको इमेजिन करना है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड को थैंक यू कर रहे हो क्योंकि उसने आपकी हेल्प करी है एंड थैंक यू करने के साथ आप उसके लिए जो है एक अच्छा सा पेन होल्डर बनाकर उसे गिफ्ट करना चाहते हो. सो उस पेन होल्डर को बनाने की क्या प्रोसेस होगा, क्या स्टेप्स होगा, वो जो है यहाँ आपको गिवन स्पेस में लिखने हैं. थैंक यू किड्स. I hope you enjoy the learning. See you in next class.